Okay, we got a blazer can pack. Finally, let me give this charge to my mom. She's my agent. First we got a bag on, a more cooler one. We got a shepherd, a more cooler one. We got a mud kip. I think the Lowland Ratata should have a chance in the good pile because he's a Lowland. So we're gonna put him in the good pile. We have a slack off. We're gonna blow this. We're gonna blur this. We got a reverse hollow scyther. So he's going in the good pile. This is our third one we have. It's Celestial. She's also an Ultra Beast. Way better than Katrina. Because Katrina only had 60 and she has 140. She's hollow, by the way. It's hollow. It's hollow Ultra Beast. We have Grass Energy. We have Grass Energy. A Lantern. We have Shelgon, but he's in thread form. Looks kind of cool. And we got a Pelipper. We got a Pelipper. Okay, next the Blaziken pack. We got another thread Whismer. This one's a more cuter version of Mudkip. Oh, that's our first starter. Wait. We have a ball toy, the same ball toy. We have a Bagon. We have a Torchic. This one's going in our good pile because it's reverse hollow. We got a Kecleon. It's reverse hollow. I'm gonna put this one in our good pile since he's a legendary. We got another Deoxys. So we're gonna put him in there just like that. We have Fighting Energy. We have Torkoal. We have Lurball. And we have Rainbow Energy. This one's rare because it's all the energies together, so we're gonna put it in here. Now we have our final Blaziken one. Then we have one more that I think is gonna be epic. Cause I've never seen that Pokemon before. And I think it's a new Alola Pokemon. So I'm excited.
You look excited.
Yeah, actually I'm very excited. Lotad. We got a Lotad. We got Seedot. Builder. Alolan Rattata. We're gonna put that in a good pile. It's a Alolan. We got Voltorb. Yeah, his name is Voltorb. Next, we got like this super rare card. It's reverse hollow too, and it has a little diamond with the star. That's how rare it is. It's very rare, and it's a legendary. It's Jirachi, so it's very really rare. That is going in a good pile. That is very rare. We have, this one's going in a good pile because he's a legendary. It's Regirock. He's in thread form. Oh no, he's not. I lied. We got a water energy. Underground Expedition. This next one is rare because it's one of the legendary Alola ones. He's like super rare. He's rare. He's really rare. So we're gonna put him in there. And we have a Combusken. And okay, now we have the one I think will be super rare. It's a Pokemon I don't know about. It might be a new mythical. I don't know. It might be a new mythical from Alola. But I don't know. Let me get rid of this card. First we got a Seedot. Clamperl. Mom, wait, is this hollow? No, it's not. Mom, I just got a Fanpy. Here it is. Fanpy. Should we put that in the rare deck? In the good deck?
Yeah.
Okay. That can be yours. I already have a Fanpy.
Oh, thanks, bud.
You're welcome. The first Pokemon card. Electrike. Mom, do you want a Torchic?
I'm good, thanks.
Ooh, we got a reverse hollow Shuppet. By the way, shout out to my dog, the one who whined.
Hi, dog.
We have a Swampert. We have a Dark Energy. We have Solrock. We have Life Herb. I think this one's going in the rare because I think it's in the good box because I think it's rare. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. And we have Sky Pillar. Okay, next we have these. First, I'm gonna do some, this one I'm gonna do some like that. Oops. Hopefully none of you guys saw that. Oops. Mistakes happen. We got Dark Energy, Electrike, Fanpy, Clamperl, Seedot, Combusken, Underground Expedition, Water, Voltorb, Beldum, Seedot, Lotad, Little ball. Turtle. Fighting energy. Torchic. Bagon. Baltoy. Mudkip. Whismer. Pelipper. Shelgon. Lantern. Grass energy. Fairy energy. Fighting energy. Grass energy. Fire energy. Psychic energy. Electric energy. Dark energy. Water energy. Fairy energy. Steel energy. Dark energy. Water energy. Fairy. Steel. Fire. Psychic. Electric. Dark. Water. Fairy. Steel. Fighting. Psychic. Water. Grass. Electric. Fairy. Oh God, the rest of them are just energies. Fire, dark, water, steel, grass, psychic, dark, fairy, fighting, grass, steel, dark, water, fairy, steel, fighting, grass. That was a lot of cards.